No. 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 Francisca, I'm gonna be so honest with you. If I were you, I would be very embarrassed. Like, if I was a member of the jury or audience, you look absolutely ridiculous right now, bowing when I am clearly winning. Like, very clearly winning. Hey guys, it's Michaela, and welcome back to another Ace Attorney video. Boy, do we have a jam-packed video, okay? First off, I just wanted to say thank you to everyone who joined my live yesterday. I did my first YouTube live and it went, honestly, it went as well as I could have hoped for. It was so much fun getting to connect with you guys and chat with you in real time, and what I thought was gonna be maybe like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes ended up being 2 hours. So clearly I was having the absolute best time, and I'm glad that you guys enjoyed it as well. For those of you who wanted to join the live but couldn't because of a time constraint or a conflict, don't worry. I don't have a set plan going forward as to how often I want to do them, but for now I'm thinking for like milestones, so maybe every 1,000 subscribers or so. And going forward, I plan on doing them at various times throughout the day. So if you didn't catch this one, then hopefully you can catch the next one. And if you did miss the live, it is posted on my channel in case you guys wanted to watch it after. Next, you guys, I got another piece of fan art. I'm not sure if they want their profile publicly shouted out or displayed, so I just messaged them and we'll see if they get back to me. And if so, I will put their username on the screen, but otherwise I will just refer to them as N. And N tagged me in like another fan art post, you guys. Like, the fact that this has happened once, let alone twice now, is mind-boggling. So obviously I will put it up on the screen for you guys, but N, because I've been going through some stuff this year, decided to cheer me up and give me a little bit of additional holiday cheer in January by drawing me as Santa, and I have awarded Miss Franziska von Karma with coal, as she deserves, saying shame on you, shame on your dad, shame on your entire lineage. Period. And then on the left of me is old Udgy, just looking silly, confused, and oblivious, which describes him pretty accurately. So this was so cool to receive, and I had to give a shout out. So again, if they are cool with it, I will put their Instagram and everything down in the description box. You guys can check them out because they have a lot of amazing art on their page. But otherwise, thank you guys so much for supporting me and all of the wonderful ways you guys do. Like, I am truly eternally grateful. And they actually just messaged me back on Instagram and said that they would be honored and everything is good to go. So Instagram is Nikarakite. That is the artist for this fan art. And again, I will leave all of their information in the description box. Now on to the meat and potatoes. Okay, what we all came here for. Today, you know what? I know I already am aware that there's gonna be a trial former and that there's gonna be a trial ladder, okay? I don't know if there's gonna be anything after that, but I'm presuming that these next two videos are gonna be the roundup, if you will, of Reunion and Turnabout. So I don't know which trial is gonna be crazier, but based on what we found out last video, it might be this one. If you missed it, first of all, go check it out. It was a longie, but a goodie, okay? We found out a lot of information. Such as, I don't know, that Inie was in the car accident with her sister Mimi, that she crawled away from the fire and was burnt so badly that she had to have facial reconstruction surgery, and that she just failed to mention any of this, you know, just a big surprise to me. Sus, okay? Secondly, Pearl found the key to the channeling chamber in the incinerator, along with a scrap of fabric from Maya's costume covered in blood. Who put that there? I don't know. Morgan Fay? Listen, here is my theory, and I'm gonna say it once and for all now before we get into whatever craziness we're about to get into. I think Morgan and Inie were in cahoots, okay? They went on a joint mission to eliminate Maya. Why? Well, starting with Morgan, Morgan is part of the Branch family, not the main family, which means she can never be master of the empire that the Fays have built. Who is master, you ask? Misty Faye. Been missing for God knows how long. And if Misty's not found in the next 4 years, then guess what? Master be gone. Who is her replacement, you ask? Maya. I think Morgan wanted to take Maya out of the running by, I don't know, sentencing her to the death penalty so that Morgan could potentially become the master of the Fae Empire. I don't know if that's how it works, but that's my theory and I'm sticking to it. So how do we get Maya to go to prison? I don't know. We frame her for murder? But who are you gonna murder? Oh, I don't know. Dr. Gray, who happened to kill Mimi, Inie's sister. Inie wanted payback. Inie wanted revenge, and Inie wanted to avenge her sister's death. So you have Morgan, you have Inie. They decide to concoct a plan to murder Dr. Gray, which avenges Mimi and also eliminates Maya in the process. That's what I'm thinking. That's what it's giving. I mean, Inie basically admitted to committing the murder last video. So thinking it and proving it are going to be two very different things, as we will probably see today. So how I'm going to prove all of that, I don't know. But that's what we are about to get into. But before we get into it, we have to do our candle of the day. And today we have a brand new one, Palo Santo and Sage by White Barn. And this thing smells absolutely incredible. It's relaxing, it's musky, it's woodsy, and it's honestly the exact vibe I need to focus for what I think is going to be a very intense trial day. And along with that, your girl is very dehydrated, so no soda today. Instead, we are going to be working on this gallon of water that I also hadn't finished in the live I did. Guys, I've been doing really bad on my water, but that's okay. We have it today. Cheers. I feel really confident in my theory, guys, and it's weird because I feel like this is the first time I'm going into a trial kind of having an idea of what happened, unless I'm just completely off, but I feel like I'm not. I don't know. Okay, episode 2, Reunion and Turnabout, part 4-1, trial. Oh, God. Okay, here we go. No turning back now. June 22nd, 9:51 a.m. District Court, Defendant Lobby number 3, baby. Every time. Maya, at this point, I'm used to seeing you like this. What, my darling? Why are you starting off like this? Yeah. I learned that pretty recently myself. Okay, sure. Well, you know, probably not by choice. I'm sure there's some trauma mixed up in there with the father she's had. Girl, you are quite literally a teenage girl. Like, you should not feel bad. And stop comparison is a thief of joy, Maya. Yeah, that's not great, but emphasis on suspect? And think about it, you know you didn't do it, or at least I know you didn't do it, and you have homegirl over here trying to pin it on you, so really who's the better person? Hello, Pearl. Sergeant Pearl. Oh, okay, period. I don't know about well, but thanks. Heck yeah. Love the confidence. She. How nice and thoughtful of Miss Morgan to make an appearance at her death sentencing. That's what I'm gonna call it. Yeah, we're gonna need her. Didn't love seeing her in your body, Pearl, but honestly, yeah, sorry to break it to you. We're gonna need you a little bit more than that. Yeah. Mia is honestly crucial. Oh. Pearl, what are you talking about? What are you talking about? Thank you. Thank you so much. Jesus. Thank you, Pearl. God. Yes, Maya. Oh, smart. That was actually really smart. Maya, it's gonna be a bloodbath. What are you talking about? You know exactly what I mean. All right, here we go, guys. Hey, Judge. How you feeling? Hope you're feeling competent. Okay. Von Karma already here with the attitude. You know what? That's something you and I both have in common, Franziska. And that's where it parts. Okay. All right. Oh, hello, Mia. And okay. Oh my God. Yeah. Okay, that was valid. The foolish clothes, that's valid. Yet. And you're last, honestly. I mean, I don't even... Edgeworth couldn't handle the defeat, so I highly doubt someone at your magnitude will be able to. Ha. Hilarious. Oh my God. Can we get into it, people? Okay, let's recap, Judge. Correct. Uh-huh. Really? Okay. Where are you going with this? Okay. Okay. Right. And just ripped off a piece of her sleeve too. I suppose. Huh. Is that why Morgan decided to show up today? Because she's testifying. Oh my God. Oh my God. I cannot. Okay. Oh. Franziska, you know what? We actually made it several minutes into the trial today before she decided to whip someone in the face. So I really can't complain. I really can't complain. Correct. Yep. Removing a leech, if you will. I will not miss Franziska when she gets sent back to Germany due to embarrassment. I really won't. That's what we're manifesting today. Maya escaped from the room. Escaped, okay. How? Explain. How? This is weird. Okay, here we go. The other lady being Lotta Hart. Okay. Really? Y'all are so ridiculous. Okay, so you're telling me now, which, by the way, you had no reason, I guess, to mention before. Just decided to keep this to yourself. Now, after I literally broke the door down and we all saw Maya in the room covered in blood, she thrust you away from her and ran out to the incinerator? Like, really? No, and nobody just happened to see this or remember it until now. Y'all's stories are garbage. Like, you could have done a little better than that. She hit the base of your neck and fainted, and you fainted. So what, she's a martial artist now? She knows karate? I don't understand. Of course you don't. How convenient. How convenient. Somebody get Pearl on the stand. Really? And you thought that lying and withholding crucial information would cause less trouble? Right. Happily, Judge. Yeah. Well, we're gonna have to, Mia. Because guess what? We only have 5 pieces of life that you literally gave me last episode. So that's what we're working with. Yep. Yeah, let's clarify. Let's get some names in here, Morgan. Let's be descriptive. The foreign lady. Thank you. That helps a lot. Oh my god. Are you? Wow. What do you have against Lotta? Jeez. I'm sorry. Your niece was in a room with a complete stranger and we all heard gunshots. I bust down the door to make sure Maya's, I don't know, alive, and you bill me for that? Jail. That alone, jail. What is wrong with you? Don't think that's gonna be our statement. That's a really great question. Why didn't Morgan call the police? Correct. So she's saying that because me and Lotta went outside, I believe, to call the cops, we didn't see Maya karate chop her neck, make her pass out, and then escape to the incinerator. Got it. Morgan, I hate when people do that. Question further AF. Period. Oh, yeah, okay, sure. You're full of ish, dude. I cannot. You're such a freaking liar, and you're not even good at it. Judge, please. I'm telling you, the judge will believe literally anything anyone tells him. Like, critical thinking, judges never heard of that. Ever. Whatever. No! I'm not satisfied. I thought you said she was swinging it earlier. Somebody had said that, which was not true. Correct. So what happened? She came back to life? Right. And you want us to believe you now? Stupid. Okay, Franziska, then let her tell me that. You don't get to testify. You're the lawyer. She's the witness. Her job is to tell her story. Shut up. What are you talking about? Oh my god. This is just so obnoxious. I just cannot. Me too, Phoenix. Me too. Right. You're weak. Weak, Morgan. No Franziska, but I tried to. Judge, shut up! What is wrong with all of you today? All of you are on one. Oh my God. If she wasn't unconscious. Right. You're not sure, but about 10 minutes. Pick one, girl. Ugh. That feels like it's gonna be our statement. Question further, Phoenix. Great question. So who is Franziska? Oh, here we go. Who else do you have in your pocket? Inie? Pearl? Really? That quickly? No, we can't. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Judge, clearly you and I are hearing two completely different testimonies because we quite literally just established that we can't establish that Maya left the chamber with this witness. So what are you talking about? I'm sure it will, Phoenix. I'm sure it will. Okay, so the judge can't ask questions or you'll whip him. But the judge also can't agree with you or you'll whip him. So the judge literally just has to be a statue. Like the mannequin that's always in the detention center, that's the judge's cousin. That's the judge's brother, okay? At this point, Von Karma wants a copy. What are you talking about, Franziska? Okay, so this is weird. I got to cross-examine Morgan, but I didn't get to try to discredit her at all. And now we're just immediately going to a second witness? Interesting stuff. Okay. Oh, yeah. I mean, they absolutely concocted a story and they're trying to back each other up right now. That's exactly what's going on. About time I got you on the stand, Inie. Right. Oh, no whip? Oh, wow. I'm shocked. Okay. Wow. Oh my god. If that ain't a leading question, I don't know what is. Oh, now you're asking the honor for his permission? Oh no. The spine is in Alaska, Phoenix. It's never coming back. It's gone. It's in Antarctica. It's below the depths of the sea. It's been obliterated. Right. Okay. Weird. Right. That's your testimony? That's it? Well, yeah, Judge, it looked like her sister, but apparently it was Maya. Franziska's pissed. She's like, bro, I've explained this to you 3 times now. Like, why don't you get it? Yes, Judge. I'm so glad we're all here together now. I'm so glad we're all on the same page. You totally, like, really have to, yeah. Yeah. What are we doing, people? Can we get on with it? Okay. Okay. So Inie is saying, to cover up what Inie actually did, or what I think she did, she's saying that after Mimi murdered Dr. Gray in Maya's body, she left the room and went and admitted to the murder basically to Inie. So said that Dr. Gray had drugged her with sleeping pills, which is how the car accident happened, and that she got her revenge. To Inie. That is wild. I'm not convinced. What about y'all? No, no, no. Absolutely it was. Mia, I've tried to tell this man, okay? Like, he's not listening. Yeah. Period. Period. Heck yeah, Mia, let's go. Period. Let's get it. Yeah. Get it tattooed on you, Von Karma. I don't want to hear it anymore. Of course. Of course. There's nothing more entertaining than removing the reputation of a career prosecutor. Nothing more entertaining than that. Right. Or were you sleeping, Inie? Well, you were in Japan, or Japan adjacent, so I'm not surprised. I feel like if you have a sesame allergy, Asia, probably not the best place for you. I don't know. If any of you guys watching this have a sesame allergy, let me know. But to my knowledge, that is an intense allergy to have. And sesame seeds are everywhere there, I feel like. Okay. Right. Oh my God. Yeah, that, sure. Okay, Inie, get to it. Hello? Can we make some progress here? Phoenix is getting so frustrated. Oh my God. Inie, your stupidity has been kicked up a notch since we last spoke. Like, the acting is getting better, girl. I'm impressed. You cannot... You cannot answer a question of "are you sure" with "I guess." That's quite literally the opposite of the possible answers that are at your disposal there. You don't know? Oh my God. Inie. Okay, because the thing is, you guys, we're encroaching upon the territory of, are you mentally able to testify? Like, are you competent to testify? Are you competent to exist? Because what is wrong with you? Like, my questions are not confusing. Oh. You got her, Phoenix. You got her. Yeah. Excuse me? The defense absolutely does not rest. What is happening? Okay. Guys, when you rest your case, that is you telling the court, I no longer have any evidence I would like to enter into the trial. Like, I'm done with testimony, I'm done with documents, I'm done with everything. I rest my case. How are you just gonna rest in the middle of the cross-examination and then go back into it? What is happening? What is happening? Oh shoot, I'm so freaking confused. I'm losing my flow. Okay. Right, now that I can understand. Like, if a family member passed away and then they came back to you in the form of a ghost, but they looked like them and you saw them, that would be pretty crazy. No, I understand the happy side. I understand that. No, Phoenix. No. Franziska, the appropriate way to address that would have been to object, not to abuse me. Thank you. Thank you. Oh, okay. Yes, Judge. Yes, it is. Hmm. That's a very odd thing to say without prompting. I don't know, Inie. I'll have to let Mia answer that one. Oh, shoot. Getting distracted again. I'm literally just focused on the story. I forgot I'm supposed to be actually cross-examining her. Yeah. Let me go back to that last statement. Got it. Thanks, Mia. Love you, girl. Yeah, it was that one. Okay. Last statement. Tell me again, Inie. Tell me again. Okay. Thank you, Franziska. That was very helpful. Yes. Phoenix. A lot of options the game is giving me this time. Oh, no one asked for that, but okay. Yeah. Okay, so it's just this cutscene again. I don't care. I'm pressing everything just to be certain. Frankie, you came to watch the movie. Say hello to the people. Say hello to Inie Miney. Good hello. It was all right, Inie. I've seen scarier stories, but okay. All right, guys. That's all we have to work with. So, you were sleeping in the side room because of the sesame allergy. Someone came into the room suddenly. You thought it was your sister. This is a very questionable statement all on its own. This is the obvious choice, but it might not be the right choice because it is the obvious choice. Okay. So on this particular statement, she gets into the car accident. She was drugged. It was no accident, yada, yada, yada. Okay. We could present the articles about the car accident. And that was also such a weird statement because, like, what do you mean if Miss Inie Miney is to be believed? Is there an alternative where she maybe was not the one driving? Okay, so regardless, that's an option on this statement, you guys, okay? And I think that's probably the only one. Oh, never mind. Okay. Then we have this statement. Her costume looked like totally normal. Which, I mean, this to me seems like the best option because does this look normal to you? I'm sorry, if somebody came up to me looking like this, I would be very concerned. This seems like the obvious way to go, and I don't want to overthink it. So we're gonna start here because, like, it was just a really weird thing for her to say, and her costume looked like totally normal. Okay, we're starting off strong, guys. Feeling good about that. Don't worry, Franziska. We'll get into it, babe. We'll get into it. Okay. I actually don't even think it was well constructed. Right. Does that look normal to you, Inie? The sister you met. I would think so. I would think so. Right. Kinda weird. Oh. Didn't take much to rattle. You did it, Inie. Yeah, Mia, we've seen that before. It's nothing new. She likes to do this cute little act where she pretends to have an IQ of 2 and then reluctantly eventually comes out with her normal personality and intelligence when she gets upset. It's a thing she does. Don't mind her. A tongue stick out is not going to get you out of this one, Inie. He's always so much help, Phoenix. Okay, going back in to the truth this time. Okay. Oh, so now you couldn't see the blood. Of course. How could I not think of that? You took her to the channeling chamber. What? My God. Not Gramps. No! Thank you, Judge. Appreciate the opportunity. Okay, here we go. Alright. Before I get into anything, I just want to check my evidence really quickly. Yeah, I personally don't think that would blend in, but fine. I guess. I guess and I suppose. Also, Pearl's favorite toy, she was playing with it at the time of the murder. It seems like, why is everything so cryptic? I don't know. Okay, let's get into pressing these statements. It was when I saw it. You know, Franziska, there's one side of like, oh, I thought it was dusk, they thought it was dark. It's different if it was literally bright and sunny outside, babe. Like, that's not subjective. Oh my God. Oh my God. What a... Ugh. I want to tussle. I want to throw hands. Okay, so that's definitely not going to be our statement. What? What is it, Inie? Unfortunately, I do also think that's believable because again, if you see your dead sibling that hasn't been alive for a year is standing in front of you, you're probably going to be focused on them. Fine. Fine. What are you talking about? Please elaborate. You're gonna go apologize to Morgan Fay for killing Dr. Gray. Right. That's sus. And this is sus. Oh my god. Was she? So where was... Yeah. Was there? Anything, Inie. Anything at any time. When you went to the ooh, I get options. Ooh, okay, okay. When you were in the side room, when you were going to the crime scene, when you arrived. I mean, I want to ask her all of them, and I probably will. So let's just start with the top one. Okay. Press harder. Never. Never, Franziska. Never. That's funny. Unfortunately. Mia, this is still a crazy look for you. Like, God, this is weird. Okay. No prob Bob. We're going to the crime scene, so winding way? Like, I don't know, an 8-year-old girl putting pieces of a jar back together, or a ball, or an incinerator, burning a key and fabric, anything? Anything. Are you gonna give this same answer to all of those? That would actually suck. Press harder. Judge, I literally would not be asking it if it wasn't important. Like, please stay with me. Please stay with me. Okay, period. You don't have to get why, Inie. It's not you. It's not your job to get it. You didn't see anyone on the way to the channeling chamber. That's obviously going to be our statement. And the lie is Pearl. Pearl was on her way to the channeling chamber. Because Pearl was in Winding Way. But let's press it first just to make sure. Okay. Lastly, I want to see if I can go get that third statement. Okay, and that statement's sticking, so I just want to triple check. Triple check. Oh, it doesn't even let me. Okay, so that was the correct thing to press then. Fine. Well, this is clearly our statement, guys, so... This is probably going to be it. Broken by Pearl. It was in Winding Way, which is between the side room and the channeling chamber. Pearl was putting it right together. Now, it says before the murder, so I don't know if that's going to prevent this from being the statement. Because she might say, oh, well, she had already put it back together and left by the time... whatever. But this feels like a really good option. She's gonna say that this and the key were put into the incinerator before Maya/Mimi went to the side room, probably. The clothing box, I remember, I think did not appear in the side room until after we had already talked to Inie and she was up from her nap. Okay. I really feel good about the jar, guys. About the urn, if you will. Yeah, buddy! Heck yeah. Let's go. Like, yeah. Franziska, clearly you do, and you're trying to keep her testimony or whatever I'm about to say out of the trial record because you know it's not good for you, so shut up and take your cake. Right. You didn't see a whole child sitting in the middle of a sidewalk of the walkway, crying, gluing glass together. Then clearly your vision is unreliable, Inie. Correct. Oh, this person, easy peasy. Hey, Pearl. I'm getting to it, Judge. Correct. You didn't have to batter the judge to ask that, Franziska. Yes. Jesus. Correct. Oh, somebody getting nervous again. Oh, little Pearl. Little girl. Oh, God. Hard at work. That's exactly what I'm saying. If you missed a whole child, your vision is not reliable and literally nothing you say you saw matters because you are blind. Like, that's just the truth. Somebody get an eye doctor in here. Yup. Actually, Judge, I don't. It's not like you're gonna do anything about it. You do nothing to Franziska. Oh, period. Phoenix is done. He's had it. Mm-hmm. Right. No! Absolutely not! Yes. Not at all. Not even a little bit. Okay. There's a clear contradiction to the fact that she was sleeping in the side room at the time of the murder. Honestly, this clothing box I really want to use for something because, again, why does it have a bullet hole the same height as the bullet hole in the folding screen? That to me tells me that the clothing box was probably behind the folding screen. Okay. Okay. Let's say that the clothing box was behind the folding screen, right? Because I know we saw the channeling chamber from a forward view and we didn't see any people in there. But let's say this clothing size, this human-sized clothing box was behind the folding screen, which is why the bullet that went through the folding screen also went through the clothing box. What if there was a person in there? I don't know. It's in her testimony just now. It's in the evidence. Oh, I don't know. I'm gonna ask for me. I just want to see what happens. No, I don't think so. Okay. Oh, like actually? No, no, no. I don't actually want help. That feels like cheating. No, 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 no. I got it. Right. Let me at least try. Okay. That's weird. She's never offered me help like that before. She was asleep in the side room, and I say that's not possible because there's a clear contradiction here. Is there? I'm gonna be honest, you guys, I don't think there's a contradiction in the testimony yet. And I don't think there's a contradiction in the evidence that she was sleeping in the side room. Like, I know what I believe happened, but do I have proof she wasn't sleeping in the side room? No. So I feel like, honestly, I feel like the answer is help me, Mia, but there's no life bar right now. So I don't think I'm going to lose life trying. I'm just going to try. So we're going to say it's in her testimony to start. No, let's say it's in the evidence. You wish. Okay, so that's not the correct answer. Okay, period. I knew that was the right thing. I was like, the game wants me to ask Mia for help. I just didn't want to, but period. I'll take it. I'll take it. I guess I'll choose the testimony. Okay, period. Never mind. Never mind. My bad. My bad. My bad, Mia. So sorry. Right. That's actually so true. So true. How did you know that if you weren't there, Inie? Inie? In fact, Phoenix, I don't think she went there. I think she was there already. Okay, guys. What if Inie is hiding in the clothing box behind the folding screen before the channeling begins? Maya and Dr. Gray walk in there, begin the session. Inie jumps out. You know what? Actually, let me pause the theory right there because I don't know exactly what happened after that. Because okay, let's just keep going. Correct, Judge, but that would be if you started in the side room. Great question. Happily. 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 Yeah. Period. Alright, the life bar is blinking, people. Oh. Easy. Easy. Right in here, Your Honor. Correct. Correct. Because she committed the crime. No. No, I haven't. Yeah, you wanted it to establish that. No, I didn't ever agree to that. Haha. Unfortunately, my air vent theory did not check out, but I think this one will. Correct. How do you know that, Lotta? How do you know that? Oh my god. Wow, 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 what? What? Okay. Ah, finally. Ugh. Really? Really, Inie? Really? Literally. And Lotta is not much smaller than you, babe. Not at the time of the murder. Oh. Oh. I thought she was gonna say, I thought she meant she was sleeping in the clothing box. I was like, Inie. No, it wasn't. Yes, I can judge. Okay, so I want to present the folding screen because of the bullet hole, but I mean, if you guys literally just take 2 seconds to read the description, it tells you that there's a bullet hole. So it's gonna be one of those two things, but which one? You know what I mean? Like, I don't know which one the game wants me to choose, but you guys see my logic here. Like, both of them prove in a way. Okay, which one proves that the clothing box was at the scene of the crime? I'm gonna go with the folding screen just because it feels silly to say that the clothing box proves the clothing box, even though it does because of the description, but alas. Yeah. Yeah. There sure is. Yeah, about 8 inches. Weird. I don't know, Phoenix. Where have we heard that one before? Yeah, it did. It did. It did. It did. It did. Correct. Yup. Yup. How is there another day to this trial? This is a done deal, sealed, signed, and delivered, baby. What picture? No, that's not what I'm saying at all. I'm actually confused onto how this situation is happening. I'm taking it one step at a time, Francisca. What? Oh! Oh! Because Inie is learning how to be a paranormal person as well, now we're saying she channeled her sister? That makes sense, but where the heck is Maya? And how did she let this happen? Yeah, that I agree with. Then sit down. Right. Great point. That's a great point you make, Francisca. Correct. Oh, you know, I would love nothing more than to point out Inie Miney's accomplice, that being none other than Miss Morgan Fay. Period. Yes, Francisca. God, your sweat is dripping all over the floor. Please take care of yourself. The wonderful lady witness? That's not how I would describe her. Period. That's actually crazy, though. Like, oh my God. Being able to channel a dead... Being able to channel a dead spirit so that you can go commit murders and not be caught on camera because you look like someone else. Do y'all realize how freaking insane that is? Like, holy crap. Yup. Called that. Called that. That I did not call. That I did not call. Little confused on that, but okay. We'll allow it. How nobody noticed it was Inie in a wig. Oh. Okay, no, we're not claiming that. We're not claiming that. Okay. How? With the syringe? Like, how did she do that? Like, I agree, but how did she do that? Okay. That is so creepy. Oh my God. Poor freaking Maya. Oh God. Right. Yep. The other lady. Poor Lotta. Yep. Okay. Right. How? We are not part of the paranormal. We would not have been able to necessarily see through that, but okay. But yeah, 100%. This 100% happened. You're supposed to say not guilty, Judge. That's what you're supposed to say. Creepy, 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 creepy. What? Yes. What are you talking about? This case is closed. Please enlighten us, Franziska. Please. Do us the honor. Again, this is obvious, but I will happily explain it to you like you're a child. Inie, shut up. Seriously? Another obvious question. Here we go with the motive thing, people. Like, come on. Really? Really? Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go with probably this, but let's just triple check it. Okay, so it's probably this, but it could also be this. But probably not. Probably this. Let's make sure I don't have any other... Yeah, it's probably gonna be that. I absolutely think that. I absolutely think that. That's correct. Inie, I don't think you need proof, quite frankly. Oh my god. Okay. Uh-huh. Again, that doesn't fly with me. You waited until the opportunity presented itself, and it did. People wait decades to get revenge upon people. You think that 6 months was too long? No. 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 Franziska, I'm gonna be so honest with you. If I were you, I would be very embarrassed. Like, if I was a member of the jury or audience, you look absolutely ridiculous right now, bowing, when I am clearly winning. Like, very clearly winning. I vehemently disagree. Vehemently. I agree that it's a complicated murder plan. I do not agree that there's no motive. And that's just not true either. Oh my God. Should I? And please tell me where my place is, Franziska. So what happens now? Oh. Mia? Franklin. You're clean, baby. You're clean. Mia, I never lost faith. In fact, I think I've done a great job here today. Everyone else is just on something that I clearly did not get a taste of. Yeah. Okay. That I'm not following 100%. Why did she kill the victim in this way? I mean, I guess so. Am I ever? One comment, have you not learned your lesson with this? But thank you. I will happily take it. Happily. Period. Sounds good to me. Because guess what? My will don't go nowhere ever. Wow. Ruthless. Oh. Okay. I see. Okay. You know, not the ending I was expecting. I would first just like to acknowledge that I did not die this video, and when's the last time we could say that in a trial, guys? It's been rough. So very happy about that. And I truly feel like I gave enough evidence to at least cast doubt on Maya being the one that did this, but for whatever reason, it was not enough for the court. So I guess that answers my question as to why there will be a part 2 to this trial, and I'm already excited to get into it. Like, I cannot wait to see how this wraps up, because if y'all want it to be a perfect little tight little bow, Franziska, I can give that to you. Like, it's gonna drag it out and it's gonna make your defeat even more delicious, but I'm happy to do it. So you're definitely gonna wanna come back to the next video, because I have no idea what exactly we're gonna get into, but I know it's going to be juicy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Goodbye and go thrive.